Hello guys, today I will tell you how you can create a Telegram news bot or current affairs bot. As you can see here, this is your channel and you want your channel's post should go in hundreds of groups. For example, here are 3 demo groups. So first, I will go to the search bar and search bot father. As you can see here, there is a bot father with the blue tick. Click on the start. Here you will see bunch of commands, but you have to type new bot. Now you have to give the name of your bot. I will give it current affairs bot. And then you have to give a unique username to your bot. And it should end on the bot. As you can see here, I got a confirmation message from the Telegram that my bot has created, and here it is the bot token that I will be using to create a clone of news bot. I copy it. Also, all the usernames of the bots I will drop into the description of the YouTube video. And now search Pinaka bot, Pinaka robot. As you can see here, this is Pinaka robot. This robot will help you to create a news bot or broadcast bot. Here you can see there are two options to create bots. One is bridge bot and second one is news bot. As we can see here, today we are creating news bot. So go with the news bot. And then go to the bot father and copy this API token. Paste it here. As you can see here, your bot has been verified, and click here on this button to set up your news channel and click on start command. You will get this text, so I will suggest you just click on the add me to your channel. Here you will get a full list of the channels where you are an admin or owner. So add the bot in your channel where you want the bot should listen to the posts of your channel that should go into the groups through the bot. Give some basic rights. I randomly giving these rights to the bot. Okay. Here you can see this message that confirms that my current mode is channel. I have added the bot in the channel, but to show you the demo how the bot will send the broadcast into the groups, I will be adding the bot in some groups. So I will tap on the start command. Click here on the add me button. You will see all the groups here in this list where you are an admin or just a member. Choose the groups where you want the bot should be added. Okay, you can see the confirmation message, and I will do the same for the rest of the two groups. And now as you can see here, my bot is added into the groups. Now let's move to your channel. Here I will type something. As you can see, in every group the bot is added, all received the same text. And this is the stats of the last broadcast I made. Now I will send a message to my channel. As soon as the channel received the post, it went into all the groups. And you can see here the broadcast message. Now let's check another post. As you can see here, as the post received on my main channel, the bot sent it to all the groups. Now let's paste another news here. This is the news I sent, And as the news reached to my main channel, it also reached to the all the groups as it is. You can see how fast it is, and here your broadcast summary.